Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward a text on Android. So if I go for my message option and choose a message randomly and just hold a message like this and go for three dot option here, tap on forward. And now you can send it to your any friend like this, and you can just tap on send. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can forward a text on Android. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.